Hello friends, today's topic the peach horticulture, the KOALA environment and ecology, CARLSBERG ridge geography, the AFANASY-NIKITIN sea mount geography, VEMBANAD lake geography, invasive fruit flies from Asia, ecology, Internet Protocol version 6 technology, domain name system security extensions technology, the right to vote statute polity, Kerala cabinet approves draft wildlife protection amendment bill 2025 polity, EUSTOMA grandiflorum botany, world's first vaccine to save koalas from CHLAMYDIA biotechnology, robot KOCH biology. The peach is a deciduous tree that bears edible juicy fruits, and here most important is that China produces 65% of the world's total of peaches. The KOALA, this is an arboreal herbivorous marsupial native to Australia. The KOALA found in coastal areas of the continent's eastern and southern regions, inhabiting Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and South Australia. CARLSBERG Ridge is the northern section of the Central Indian Ridge, a divergent tectonic plate boundary between the African plate and the Indo-Australian plate, right? Now, recently the government has signed a contract with International Seabed Authority to explore polymetallic sulfur nodule in the CARLSBERG Ridge. This is regarding Indian government. Next thing, the AFANASY-NIKITIN sea mount permission to explore this region is not approved. So remember this, it is not approved. Located in the Central Indian Ocean and territory which is claimed by Sri Lanka. Now it is a region with cobalt richness. Regarding VEMBANAD lake, it is India's longest lake and Kerala's largest lake, forming a vital part of the state's backwater. The Government of India identified this VEMBANAD wetland under the National Wetland Conservation Program. It is bordered by 3 districts and is the largest of the 3 Ramsar sites in the Kerala. Invasive fruit flies from Asia. Here, Keratitis capitata, commonly known as Mediterranean fruit fly, is a yellow and brown fly native to sub-Saharan Africa, considered to be the most destructive fruit pest in the world. Now, for this problem, EU funded project titled REACT to bring together researchers from 12 different countries, including UK, Israel and South Africa, to locally eradicate Mediterranean fruit fly populations. Internet Protocol version 6 is the most recent version of Internet Protocol, which communication protocols that provides an identification and location system for computers on networks and routes traffic across the internet. Next technology, domain name system security extensions is a suite of extension specifications by the Internet Engineering Task Force for securing data exchanged in the domain name system in Internet protocol networks. And this protocol provides cryptographic authentication of data. Here the Supreme Court said Aadhaar was part of the right to vote statute. Remember the statement. And voters are permitted to utilize unique identity proof to the extent permitted by the law. Here the unique thing, Kerala Cabinet approves draft Wildlife Protection Amendment Bill 2025. It's a major relief for animal conflict prone regions in the state, where Cabinet approved the draft bill empowering the Chief Wildlife Warden to order the immediate killing of any wild animal that attacks and injures a person after entering a residential area. And this is very unique, that is the first time state has introduced such an amendment in India, where union government has the power to declare any wild animal in Schedule 2 as vermin if it found that its number has increased exponentially. EUSTOMA grandiflorum is a native to warm regions of northern South America, southern United States, the Caribbean and Mexico. They serve an excellent indoor air purifier. Here, Australia regulator has approved world first vaccine to protect KOALAS from CHLAMYDIA infections, which causes infertility and death in iconic native species that is listed as endangered in the parts of Australia, and vaccine is developed by University of Sunshine Coast.